Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your party chat private on your Xbox Series X or S. So if you have random people joining, you can go ahead and make this invite only. So press the Xbox button, use R1 and tab on over to Parties and Chats. Now I'm going to start up a party. Now by default, your party is going to be open to everyone. So once we get to this screen, we want to scroll on down to where it says Options, press A on this. And the first option is Invite Only. So we can have multiple people in our party, come to this section, and then press A, and then no one will be able to join from here on out without an invite. So if you look at the top of the screen, it says Joinable, then I press A, now it says Invite Only. And then you have to press the button with the 3 lines on it, and then we have to invite people to our party from here now. Otherwise, we have the option to invite to game. So you can invite off your friends list then, and you should be good to go having a private party now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.